Hello, welcome to By Excellence Tutorials. Have you subscribed yet to the YouTube channel? If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time a new video is uploaded so that you don't miss out. So in this video, we are going to solve a units and measurement question, and that is from this is from dimension analysis. Okay, so it says if the units of force, energy, and velocity in a new system are 10 Newton, 5 joules, and 0.5 meter per second, respectively, find the units of mass and time in that system. How do we solve that? Well, we first have to write force, energy, and velocity in terms of dimensions. So force, we know that is can be given by mass times acceleration, of which the dimensions are going to be mass, L, T, 2, like that. All right. And then we have energy, so we can pick, the dimensions are the same. When you talk of potential energy, you talk of kinetic energy, whichever energy, the dimensions are the same. So if we use kinetic energy to get the dimensions of energy, we're going to have the mass, half is dimensionless, and then we have V squared, which is going to be that. Okay, so that is actually the dimension of energy. And then we go to velocity. Velocity is actually having those dimensions. Okay, so now we have written the dimensions. So we equate these dimensions, okay, to the units that we have been given. So we have force, which is ML, 10 Newton. So let this be equation 1. And then we have energy, which is 5 joules. Let this be equation 2. And then we also have velocity, and it's 0.5 meter per second. And this be our equation 3. So we begin just to play with these equations because we know that this is mass, this is length, and this is time. So once we get the units of mass, the units of length, that will be the new units actually. Okay, so now we can divide equation 2 by equation 1. Okay, so dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we have something like that. Okay, 5 by ml 2 being equal to 5 joules 10 Newton. So boom. So what we're going to have is the length, okay, L, which is 5 divided by 10, we have 0.5. Okay, 0.5 joules over Newton. Someone can be confused, say, oh, joules over Newton, but this is what it means. When we have, what are the dimensions actually of work done? So, or work done is got force times the distance, right? So force is Newton and distance is in meters. And this gives us 1 joule. So 1 joule is actually equal to 1 Newton meter, like that. So this is the same as Newton meter over Newton. So that goes, and then we have 0.5 meter. So this 0.5 meter is the new length, the units of length in the new system, or in that system, I mean. Okay. So now we found the length. Here we don't have the length. I think it was a typing error. We must have the length there. So now we have found the length. We can use this length and put into equation 3 to find time in that system. So now we have equation 3. Okay, so equation 3, I'll use blue. So we have LT equal to 0.5 meter per second. Okay, so this is the same as L over T being equal to 0.5 meter per second, and then we have 0.5 meter divided by 0.5 meter per second being equal to T. So T has come this side and 0.5 has come down there. So our T is actually going to be 1 second. So that will be the time in that system. Then now we can substitute time and length to find the mass in any of the two equations. Okay, so we can use equation 1 and say mL(T)(2) is actually equal to 10 Newton. So M is actually 10 Newton over LT(2). So we have 10 Newton over L is 0.5 meters. And then we have T to the power -2. So we have 1s(2), like that. So we have 10 Newton, and 1 Newton we know that is 1 kg meter per square second, like that, over 0.5 meter, and this is actually per square second. So kg and kg, we go, and then we have 10 divided by 0.5, which is actually going to be 20. So the units of mass in that system is 20 kg. This is how you solve that question. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly like it, share, comment, and make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time a new video is uploaded. Thank you for your time.